Morning everybody, Jeff from Rust Bucket Valley Garage. I want to do a little short this morning and show you how to take and change a door lock on a Kia. This one right here, there was a burglary attempt on this one right here. So somebody tried to take and break it and stick a screwdriver in here, and all you got to do is turn this and it will take and unlock the door, but there's a bunch of locking mechanism in front of that must be defeated first. So the parts required on this one right here are obviously a new bezel that goes on here, which is plastic, and a new locking mechanism. Okay, and the way you take and get that off is there is a black plastic plug that is right here, and you just use a screwdriver to take and remove this. We've already pre-removed this. And then right in here, there's a Phillips screw. Okay, the Phillips screw is captured. Okay, so you don't have to worry about dropping it down inside the door. And then once you take and get that out, you will take and pull this handle forward just a little bit. Pull this handle forward, and then this whole locking mechanism will come out. Okay, so what we did is we went to our favorite store and we got a new locking mechanism. Okay, so this one is from Amazon. Okay, it's about 25 bucks, something like that, and it also comes with 2 keys. Okay, and these you won't find at your regular lock shop because these are high security keys. Okay, so we have that. Let me show you what we're going to do to the other piece. So we had the old locking mechanism out, and we went ahead and this thing just fell apart. Okay, because there is supposed to be a tang right here that locks in here and keeps these two mechanisms together. Okay, so we ordered from Amazon as well a new bezel. So last night we sanded this down with 500 grit. Okay, and then we took and put adhesion promoter on there because it is a plastic part. And then we went ahead and put a coat of primer on it. So we're going to sand that down here in a couple of minutes. And then that has to be painted to match the color of the car. And that'll be like this one here. Okay, so we'll get that painted up, and then everything will go back together. To put it back together, you just take and pull the handle out just a little bit and push the mechanism in, and there's a lip on there, which is right here. Okay, and that has to hook under the handle, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so this is a handle. So that lip that we were talking about just goes right under here. That's the reason you have to take and pull the handle out just a little bit, and then the locking mechanism will go straight in. And it's good to take and put just a little bit of lubrication on the end of the locking mechanism, and then you'll have years and years of worry-free service. Okay, and then just go ahead, tighten that screw back up, wherever the heck it is. There we go. Just tighten that back up, put the plastic plug in there, and make sure you try both keys on both sides, and then you'll be set. So if you ever want to take this entire mechanism off, all you do is you put your hands like this and you pull it out a little bit, and then pull it in this direction, and this entire handle will come off. Okay, so it's not needed for this one, so we'll just replace the lock on the thing. Everything will be fine. Hope I've given you some good information. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you next time.